Hi, and welcome back for step 3. So as you can see on the box, I've gone ahead and glued the clock face and the hands to the box. And I didn't worry about which direction I put the clock in, like the 12. These are Roman numerals, so I didn't put the 12 at the top. I just sort of put it down, and however I thought it looked good, and put the hands whichever way. But you want to make sure the hands, you want to keep this part clear of the hands, keep them down in this way, because this is where our floral arrangement is going to be going. Okay, so the next thing we're going to do, you're going to take your ribbon, this really beautiful ivory satin ribbon, it says Wish, Dream, Imagine, and what I did with that was I cut 2 7-inch lengths from this ribbon, from the ends, and I'm going to just set those aside. One of them we're going to use on the cards, we'll put that far aside, and the other one we're going to use to tie the center of a bow. So we're going to make a loopy bow, and our bow is going to have 4 2-inch long loops-ish, okay? It doesn't really matter how long the loops are as long as you have 4 of them. So because the satin and the pattern is on one side, we're going to loop it like this and then roll it around and then make it the top here. Okay, and then we're going to do that again. All right, and then like that. Okay, so notice I didn't measure them, I just made sure it just sort of came out even. Then I'm going to take this piece and tie the center, and those are going to be our tails. Now, if you've watched me do it one-handed before, this could be entertaining. I always advise you to grab a buddy and help you do this. But, oh, and this is nice and slippery, so we'll see how well Lene does this tonight. All right. Hey, look at that. Okay, I think I did it. And now you can sort of spend the rest of your time getting things back in order here. All right, so like that. And I just tie a really good half of an overhand knot. I don't tie a full knot because that just takes up more ribbon, and this doesn't need to be that secure. It's going to be glued to the box. It's going to have plenty of glue on top of it. That knot doesn't need to be a full knot. Okay, so because I want these tails to stick out from among our flower arrangement. So I'm going to cut those at an angle. It helps keep them from fraying. And it's just, an angle is always just better than a straight across edge on ribbon, I think. So, okay, so now I'm going to do this so that my tails, I want my tails to kind of go this way and this way. So, manipulating that, I'm going to take some hot glue, put that on the back with my oldest glue gun in the world. I think I've had that glue gun for about 25 years. And if it just works, why not? All right, so I'm going to put that on the edge of the clock. All right, and then I want these ribbons to mind me here, so there we go. All right. All right, so that's it for step 3. Come back for step 4. Now this box is going to start going together really fast.